back to another video. Right here I have two GT3RS's, and today we're going to be putting a bunch of CenCal goodies on these cars. Let's get into it. Alright, so this is a 992.1 GT3RS, and we're doing the full CenCal exhaust system. We're doing our equal length catless headers, full heat shield with our F1 rear section crack pipe, also in stainless, no valves. Our boy Kasem said he wanted to be super loud with this thing, so we're doing exactly what he wants and making one of the loudest GT3RS's. This is our boy Kasem, like I just said. He's Kevin Packman's buddy, and we just did his GT2RS, which sounded super crazy, so we're stoked to have this thing in the shop. It just got here on the trailer a few hours ago. As you guys know, if you guys ever need work done on your car, we will trailer it down to our shop. We've been doing this with a lot of the GT3s that we've been working on. And then here on this side is a car that we've been waiting to have on the channel for a very long time. We made a custom set of CC forged wheels for this car, and we're also doing a full CenCal exhaust system. We're doing the equal length catless headers on this thing, paired with the rear section in stainless steel, valved as well. Both of these cars are going to be running the single wall flat cut tips, and I'm super excited to see how these things look and see how they sound with the new exhaust. We're definitely getting a lot more CenCal systems on the GT3 platform. So yeah, let's get into the install on both of these cars and take you guys along the day with us with having two GT3RS's here at the shop.
What is your special delivery, sir?
I think maybe a 992 GT3RS Cen-Cal Motorsport F1 Exhaust with equal length headers that are callous, fully heat shielded with single wall flat cut stainless steel brushed silver tips.
Wow.
But I don't know. These are super cool though. We switched up the header design, so previously the callous headers, they were also equal length, but they still went to like a huge portion. Now it's just single all the way throughout, so it should change the tone a bit as well. Alright, so these are our F1 equal length headers for the 992. This is a revised version, so it's the first time we're putting this new version on a car. I think it's going to change the tone slightly, a little bit more of that F1 high pitched noise. Previously it went up here to like a 5.5 inch, looking like it had a catalytic converter, but it was still catless. So now you can see it goes straight through there. It's a 3 runners all the way throughout, equal length, yeah, full heat shield, CenCal logo, good stuff. Alright, so we got the 992 system for this 992 GT3 right here. This is the F1 crack pipe, so this is no valve with the X here in the middle, the single wall flat cut tips. This is the most menacing, loudest exhaust system. It gives you that F1 note that everyone's looking for on the GT3s. And then it's paired with our F1 equal length headers. Like I was telling you guys, this is a new design, so it goes from the 1 connection here down to 3 all the way throughout. I think that's going to be a really nice touch on this one, and maybe make this one of the loudest GT3s. Basically full straight pipe, but with good routing, so it actually has a good tone. So super excited to get this thing on the car in a minute here. Overall beautiful system, full T304 stainless steel.
Cocaine inside my
Crazy.
but it's always the same tone. You can make it quiet if you need to, like driving, shifting fast, but... no, this is the rear section is no valves. This is like our crack pipe version, but it's no valves. Great pipe. I told him once he's ready, we'll do the valves in the back if he wants, because it's kind of crazy.
My wife was like, so when you start the car, is it gonna shake the house like that?
Good.